The science of eye training for enhanced vision, eye health, and improved sight. In the modern age of digital screens and constant visual load, our eyes are under more strain than ever before. But did you know that just as physical exercise can improve your body's performance, training your eyes can enhance your vision, promote eye health, and lead to a clearer, more focused world. In this video we explore the science behind eye training and how it can help to get better vision and eye health. Understanding the eye training. Eye training, also known as vision therapy or eye exercises, a series of targeted eye exercises designed to improve eye muscle flexibility and vision. Just as you can strengthen your muscle through exercise, these activities aim to enhance the eye-brain connection through the optic nerve, eye movement, and eye focusing abilities. Step-by-step eye training course Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below. The science behind eye training. Neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to adapt and rewire itself, the foundation of eye training. Through consistent practice, new neural connections can form, improving visual skills and functions. Eye-brain coordination. The eyes and the brain work together to interpret visual information. Eye training exercises improve this coordination, enhancing the brain's ability to process visual input accurately. Accommodation and focusing eye exercises to switch focus between near and far objects help maintain the flexibility of the eyes, preventing eye problems and spasms. Convergence and divergence. This exercise targets the eye's ability to move together, convergence, and apart, divergence, which is crucial for depth perception and comfortable reading. Visual processing speed. Quick and accurate visual processing is essential for activities like reading and sport. Eye training can enhance the brain's speed and efficiency in processing visuals. Benefit of eye training. Reduced eye strain. Stretching eye muscles and improving eye health can relieve digital eye strain caused by prolonged screen time. Enhanced focusing. Training your eyes to switch focus between different distances can improve your ability to focus on both near and distant objects. Sharper vision. Improved eye focus and brain processing speed lead to clearer and more accurate vision. Better depth perception. Convergence and divergence exercises can enhance depth perception, which is crucial. Starting at a narrow phone screen, we destroying our divergence, but we need to balance divergence and convergence. Prevention and management. Eye training can help manage and prevent conditions like myopia, hyperopia, astigmatism, and lazy eye. Daily eye training tips. Consistency is the key. Like physical exercise, results from eye training come with a consistent practice. Set aside time each day for your eye exercises. Mindful breaks for eyes to rest. During long periods of screen use, get every 20 minutes break. Look at something far away for at least 20 seconds. Look at a window, for example. Conclusion. Eye training is a potential for enhancing our visual acuity and eye health. By engaging in eye exercises, we can strengthen our visual skills, promote eye health, and unlock a clearer, more focused world. Just as we invest time in a physical exercise to improve our body's shape, exercising our eyes through eye training is an investment in our long-term visual well-being.